These guys are serious about their cucumber. Ton change out here. Just had some dental work done this morning. Novocaine, I was chewing on my lip. Thinking it was a piece of chicken over and over again. Look in the mirror. My God, big purple lip like somebody hit me. Unbelievable. Anyway, we're going to slide an uncased coil in this case here. Looks like a mess. I should have just got a whole new cased coil. Where does this go? Through finished space, so we're flushing. Yeah, so got our 2-ton being set over here. Was a leaker, yeah, the coil was all full of oil. Corey's getting her set here. Fan speed here, we found our furnace and 0.5 static, 760 on low or the red wire, and we took it off of high and put the low on cool. And just gotta insulate the lines, finish my drain line and button her up. Done deal. Got here an hour ago. Sheet metal's done by 9, and we'll be out of here by 10. Quick as you can do a furnace, 1 hour and 40 minutes. We are all set here. Gonna check our combustion and our temp rise. Our gas pressure set, and temp rise is going to end up about 50. We're printing our combustion right at about 100 CO. done deal. Wrap this up. We got a service call to get to. Guy said his blower motor sounds loud. We'll go see what that's about. Alright, we got them all hatched here. Looks like a good batch. Everybody's got their heart beating. A little 2.5 ton change out here with a 60,000 90% furnace, one piper, and kinked that line set, so you got to solder in a 90 there. Out of that job, everything looks mint here now that I figured out how to cut this off. I made the sheet metal too long because I had one of these stock boots from a company I used to buy them from, and our boots are only 23 3/4. This one looks like it's about 26, so I ended up being long on my sheet metal, so we had to cut this off. That's sad because that took us about an hour to cut that off. But I think we're getting ready to shove this bad boy in here and run this line set and pull a vacuum. I just hacked a 2-inch one piper off right there. We're going to come across and drop straight into this hole right here, and then we'll do our 1 foot for the intake drawn from the basement. We got our fresh air intake right here, so we'll just draw from this space. This is it. Whole job looks mint. We got our pipe. We're going to get checking gas pressure here and temporize. Got our new 20-inch filter on there. The AC's all done and checked out. That looks good. It's a wrap. Clean the flush. fresh air hood. You know, make sure you always clean your hoods. Got our one pipe over there.